My name is Maleha and I'm currently co-founder at Easy Insurance. Easy Insurance is a website that is dedicated to building insurance awareness in Pakistan. Only 2% of Pakistan is insured, and we feel that insurance is a great financial tool to cover risks, and we want to create this awareness within the masses of Pakistan. In terms of challenges, I think that with a startup, every day is a challenge. I wouldn't say that there is one certain setback that I have in mind that I particularly faced. Every day it has its own set of challenges, and that's what entrepreneurship does to you. It makes you a problem solver, so you are prepared for whichever problem comes your way, and you find a way around it. That has been a great learning on a very personal level as well. You realize that there's a solution to everything. And I think that the most rewarding part of entrepreneurship is getting to understand your customer and then providing a satisfactory service. At the end of the day, when we see people who have benefited from insurance, people who've traveled and then faced mishaps and have had a good experience with an insurance company paying for their damages and expenses, we feel elated. So we derive pleasure from serving our clients and customers. So when we ventured into the market, we understood that there were some, specific difficulties attached to this industry. But when you get to know your user, you realize that there are some challenges that you had not even perceived. So particularly with insurance, we realized that there's a huge lack of awareness, and also there are certain religious apprehensions attached to insurance. A lot of our market research made us realize that people had notions regarding insurance being un-Islamic, but they didn't know why. And when we explained to them the specifics and told them how insurance works, they were open to the idea. So a lot of it is misconceptions, a lot of it is culturally embedded, but I think that is a key challenge. Changing mindsets is one part of being an entrepreneur. Changing mindsets about a product. Our strategy towards building visibility and trust is to always work with milestones and to consider each small milestone actually to be a big one. Because every milestone contributes, and when you look at your journey, when you look back at your entire year, you realize that things that seemed really small have actually contributed a lot to where you stand today. In terms of promoting ourselves, we make sure that no matter even if we have, let's say, even when you begin, you have only 2 customers, just make sure that you are giving them the best experience. So that is how a brand will build its trust, even if it's within a very small circle. That is how brands are built. The startup ecosystem in Pakistan is very facilitative. I think this is just the right time for anyone to start their own venture because there is so much support. We've been part of the second cohort at the National Incubation Center, and it has been a great experience. We have gained traction, we have gained learning that would not have been possible on our own. We have had access to a great network of people, a great network of mentors, and the curriculum sessions here are a great way to learn how to bring your startup from zero, from scratch, to something tangible. So, like I said before, being an entrepreneur in Pakistan starts with dealing with societal mindsets. People are continually letting you know why your startup will not work. That is one challenge. So, like I said, it demands a lot of faith in your own idea. Other than that, the infrastructure, like since we're working in the insurance industry, so the insurance industry in Pakistan is particularly is operating in a very old-fashioned manner. So, and we as a tech company are trying to bring in technological innovation. Sometimes we feel like the infrastructure is lacking, is not ready to take this sort of change, but we also see the huge growing digital population of Pakistan, and we feel that this is the right time to bring in this sort of innovation in the industry. The Pakistani ecosystem is very facilitative towards startups at this particular time. We have been part of a wonderful accelerator program by the name of Invest to Innovate. And that was a very intensive program that really got us connected to not just the startup ecosystem within Islamabad, our own city, but we traveled around Pakistan, meeting people from big companies, meeting people who had done their own startups, understanding their challenges, and we felt that this was a great opportunity to not learn through mistakes, but rather learn from the mistakes of others. This is a great way to save time in your entrepreneurial journey. Deriving experience and good advice from mentors is completely up to the entrepreneur themselves. So it's about the attitude that you bring to the table mostly. And also, the Pakistan Association of Software Houses has been, Pasha has been very supportive. We recently won an award, the ICT Awards. We won an award in the banking and insurance category. So it's accolades like these that really get us, that sort of make you understand that the industry is appreciating you and that there is a need for people like us who are looking to innovate. So a necessary component of the startup ecosystem is people who are willing to believe in your idea and then invest in your startup. Investor mindset has been slightly challenging when you're dealing with investors in Pakistan. Either their offers are so steep, they take away our entire startup from us, or people are not ready to invest in something that is such an outrageous idea, vetted within technological innovation. So I think if investors were more open to trusting the younger generation with bringing about the change that is necessary in the market right now, this would be something that all entrepreneurs would look forward to and would be another brick in completing the wall towards facilitating startups. In 2 years' time, I see myself still working towards making my startup a significant contributor towards social impact in the country. Other than just being a good business, we feel it's very important that we help and facilitate the masses of the country. And we hope to change mindsets regarding insurance in the country and in Pakistan in general. Financial risk mitigation is technical and complicated. Easy Insurance has taken up the challenge to help dumb down all the content out there and to help you understand how insurance is a great tool and will help make your lives more safe and secure. If I were to give any advice to people who are thinking of turning their idea into a business, I would definitely recommend that it is important to understand your market before you decide to venture into these waters. More importantly, you build small and you test. You build small and you test. That is how you keep bringing on improvements in whatever your business plan is. The other important thing is that business acumen is necessary for making any idea successful. So your idea can be great, but if you don't have the sense of helping people adopt what you have made or understand your product, then your idea will remain an idea only. So, and also when making a team, you should look towards bringing together well-rounded individuals, bring together a good mix, people who can handle the tech side of things, people who can handle the marketing, people who understand the product. So it always takes a varied skill set to make any idea a success.